fuck?
Oh!
Don't let me drive.
No. Well, he's like right behind us.
Oh, watch out for cops.
Girl. Dude, if we get pulled over, I'm recording this shit.
Go to my house. I'll be.
Look at... Oh, fuck. I told you, let me drive. Alex knows how to drive, too, so, like,
Yeah.
really good.
Why are you going to go with us?
I don't know, I told him not to. Where the fuck is my... Yo, where the fuck is my other headphone? Hold that.
Damn, this bitch came out of nowhere.
You're a kid?
Yeah.
God, dang this bitch.
I told him not to fucking follow me, yo.
That's it?
Yeah.
I swear, if he fucks up my mom's car, I'll kick his ass.
Want me to wave at him?
What?
Want me to wave at him?
There's no point of losing him.
Yeah. He's already following us.
You better not hit the fucking car.
By the way, still not one Stop right here.
Right here?
Are you stupid? He's right behind us.
I'm gonna tell him something.
Like, seriously, if you stop right here, dude, you're going to collide with him.
Like, pull over somewhere.
I'm pulling right here. Bitch comes out of nowhere.
Like fucking Jason or some shit.
Park right here.
God damn, fucking a minute. God damn, look at that shit.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Alex is like, what the fuck?
Yeah. You looked at him.
No,
Honk yourself.
What happened?
He's following us or?
no,
I'm telling him to go home.
Oh. God.
You got scared or something?
He thought I was going to drive. He moved to the fucking passenger seat for no damn reason. What like you said?
Let's go to XX.
Porn free.
Alright, go get $5. We go screw the $5.
Bitch, you know you are not allowed to go on those doors. Go where?
Oh.
Where? We're going to